We were discussing about the project-based learning. So I will tell you the difference between the problem-based learning and the project-based learning. The project-based learning is another collaborative, learner-centered instructional approach where students work in groups to construct their knowledge and gain mastery of the course content. So the main aim of this modern technology or the modern teaching method is nothing but it should be learner centered. That means the learners, the students should participate more in the learning process, and the mentor or the facilitator should support or drive the students learning process. So this is what is the ultimate aim. And project based learning is often confused with the problem based learning because both are called as PBL. One source of the confusion is that they have the same acronym, as I said. And one way to think about the difference between the two is to look at the outcome. So what is that we are expecting out of these problem-based learning as well as the project-based learning? So the difference is what matters. And while in project-based learning, students have to produce an artifact to demonstrate their mastery of content in problem-based learning. Students have to present a solution to the clear, defined, authentic problem. They have to give a solution. And this definition is simplistic, but allows for a distinction between the two concepts. Also, it has been argued that problem-based learning is in fact a subset of project-based learning. That is in the sense that one way an instructor can frame a project is by asking students to solve one or many problems. The semantics set aside, here is in a nutshell a comparison between the project-based learning and problem-based learning. Number one, the project-based learning begins with the assignment of tasks that will lead to the creation of a final product or artifact. The emphasis is on the end product. The students work on open-ended assignments, and these could be more than one problem. The students analyze the problems and generate solutions. And the students design and develop a prototype of the solution. And the students refine the solution based on the feedback from the experts, instructors, or the peers. This is about the project-based learning. Now coming to the problem-based learning. The problem-based learning begins with the problem that determines what students study. The problem derives from an observable phenomena or event. The emphasis is an acquiring new knowledge, and the solution is less important. Students are presented with an open-ended, authentic question, and students analyze the same question, and students generate hypotheses that explain the phenomena, and the students identify further follow-up questions, and students seek additional data to answer these questions. So this is what is the difference between problem-based learning and project-based learning.